What's up, forehead? How we doing today? Now, I'm making like 3 videos at the same time. First off is I want to take you guys to where I crashed. Number 2 is, all right, bud, we get it. You made 3 videos. Move on. This is the video where I take you guys to the crash scene. Man, I wish this guy would move on like I did. Anyway, I also fixed my angle, so it should look good, minus, you know, the broken mirror. That's just really loose. But yeah, here we go. So without further ado, let's get into where I crashed, and we're gonna make our way over there. Oh, is it recording now? I'm gonna be mad as hell if it's just not recording. I don't know what's recording and what's not. So you may notice a few things going on. Those being that in your notification or down below, you'll see that it's no longer that ZX6. I am Chris on a 6. That's what I'm going with. That's who I am. I'll say it again. I'm Chris on a 6. Check it out. This is a dream video now. So according to YouTube statistics, 69% of you guys are not subscribed, and as much as I don't want you guys to change that number, I'm gonna ask you to lower it. Also, you know, being back on a 600, it's kind of tough because not only does it take nuts to do this, because I am still like fresh off a crash. I understand that some people get back on faster, but like I like fucked my hand. Yeah, I fucked my hand, I fucked my ankle. That's why I miss second like half the time. Is my ankle, I can't like pull it up because it's just that little extra bit between first and second that isn't there between all the rest. The last time I went up this road ever was when I crashed, so I'm gonna try and not do it again. The sun was like just above the fucking horizon, and that shit was beaming in my face too, so I should be able to see the road and everything that's coming up on me. Oh, look at all that gravel right there. Yeah, that doesn't interest me. This road looks so much better when there's not rocks all over the place from all the snow. Pretty sure this is the turn right here. It is. No, it's not. Wait, is it? Was it? No, I'm pretty sure I did this first. No, that was it. That was it. That was where it happened, I guess. Why do I not remember it that way? It was so much more open. Kind of want to go back though. This was it. Yeah, it was here. It was this turn. Around here was where the bike ended up. Yeah, this was it. Yeah. Alright. We'll go up to this driveway and turn around. So yeah, that's where I crashed, doing the same thing I'm doing now. I'm headed up to my vape shop. I just took the long way, and yeah, anyway, I'm gonna finish going to the vape shop. This was the video on the crash scene. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, this is Chris on the 6, and I'll see you.